Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to create an image inside the text on your Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the image inside the text on your Canva, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, just going to insert an image here. So I'm just going to search as grass. Okay, so we go to the photos and just pick a grass image. Now you just need to go to the app section here and just need to type as font frame, FONT, font frame, and you can find this first option. Just click here. Now you just need to use the select an image. You just need to select the image and click on the use the select image. The image will be automatically inserted. You can also choose the file from your computer too. Now just going to type the text I just need to create. So it's my name. So you can also change the font. So which font you just need here, you can just easily change, and also the alignment, spacing, everything can be changed. But also the image zoom can be adjusted. You can see it's zoomed in and this is a zoom out. And also other options like outline, projection, shadow, everything here can be customized. So now I just going to read this, and now just going to add design. So now you can see I have inserted this image here, and also for an example, I just change. You can just change the outside projection and just go with the white, and the projection also can be used as a white, and just add design. You can see now it only shows the grass. So this is how you just insert the image inside the text on your Canva. It's easy to insert the design and also the images on the Canva by using this particular application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.